iOS 15 brings new ways to stay connected and powerful features that help users focus, explore, and do more with on-device intelligence. Apple previews major updates to FaceTime, new focus features to reduce distraction, enhanced on-device intelligence to discover information, and more ways to explore the world using maps, weather, and wallet. More natural FaceTime calls and shared experiences with SharePlay. On-device intelligence powers live text, advanced spotlight search, and more. A redesigned browsing experience with Safari. Additional features: Siri adds announced notifications on AirPods, the ability for users to share what's on their screen just by asking, and more. Shared with You works across the system to find the articles, music, TV shows, photos, and more that are shared in messages, conversations, and conveniently surfaces them in apps like Photos, Safari, Apple News, Music, Podcasts, and the Apple TV app, making it easy to quickly access the information in context. iCloud Plus combines everything users love about iCloud with new premium features, including Hide My Email, expanded HomeKit secure video support, and an innovative new internet privacy service, iCloud Private Relay, at no additional cost. 9 Current iCloud subscribers will be upgraded to iCloud Plus automatically this fall. All iCloud Plus plans can be shared with people in the same family sharing group, so everyone can enjoy the new features, storage, and elevated experience that comes with the service. The Health app gets a new